Hey guys, I just went to the Ford dealership and they said it will charge $40 just to get the security code from the door. So I have a 2012 Ford Explorer and it works the same way everywhere else. So you go to the driver's side to find it. I turn on the phone from my car, unlock it. Now, all you need to do is go down here. See that little white box? There should be a barcode right above it. There you go. And that's your door code. 20546. Check this out. Let's lock it by 2 buttons. Okay. Okay, here, let's lock it from here. Okay. Two, 0, 5, 4, 6. There you go, unlocked. Try again. This is to lock. 2, 0, 5, 4, 6. Yep, that works. Thank you.